First solo album on the Warner Brothers label. Let's put some hands together, gang, for Mr. Michael McDonald.